how to refer a friend on Revolut. So here's what you want to do. You want to open up the Revolut app and sign in. Once you have signed in, you will click on your profile icon in the top left, like so. And here you will see referrals, invite and earn rewards. Click on that option. Your friends have until April 15 to sign up with your link, add money to their account, or order a physical card. Make 3 purchases of about $5 minimum each. And here, if we click on invite friends, you will see either you can invite them through your contacts list, WhatsApp, Messenger, you can share, or what I suggest doing is copying the link and then sending the link to people directly through your messages, friends, like I said. And if they sign up and use Revolut, you will earn a bonus. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.